Hi folks, welcome to another Bossii video tutorial. This one will be on how to complete your cash up for end of day. All of that is done in Bossii Admin, so if you'll just open up your admin program, go to Management, Reports, there's your cash ups report. It's usually on your daily, weekly reports. So if we open this up and it's saying there haven't been any sales for 25th of September, do you want to select another day? Yes. So we'll go back to the date that we've got prepared, which is the 26th of March. Okay, so we have our date field at the top here. We have left and right arrow. That allows us to move across different pos tills. So in this particular example, there is only one pos till, so it's only pos 1. But if we were to press right, if we had a pos 2 and had made sales on pos 2, then it would be showing at that point, and then pos 3, etc., etc. What we also have here is our float column. So this is basically an on-screen calculator to allow you to work out your float. And then anything over and above the cash float goes into your cash up section. If you are using integrated Eftpos, that will automatically fill with the total balance of integrated transactions. If you are using integrated Petty Cash, that will also pre-fill. So the integrated Petty Cash can only be integrated when you are actually completing Petty Cash dockets inside Bossii. So that's in the options, manager options, sales functions, and then Petty Cash. So that will pre-fill if you've done your Petty Cash through that method, and also your integrator will pre-fill from this method. If you're doing standalone Eftpos, then you will have to do an X-read on your Eftpos machine and just type in the total. So the total in this case might have been $270.55. We might have had $15.50 in petty cash payments. Okay, so we already can see that we need to balance around about another $273.90. So what we ordinarily do is count your cash float. Okay, so if your cash float is supposed to be $200, then you might count your change, and I'm just going to type in some values in here. So it'll be 25, about 56, okay, $75, and another $40. Okay, so we've already gone past our $200 float because it's saying $216.30. So what you can do is just remove $16.30 and put it into your cash up so that your float is still going to be $200. That's what you started with. So we'll put in 10 into there and remove it from here. We'll put 5 into there and remove it from here. $1, which is, so that's now 24, make that 1, 30 cents, so that's $2.10, and that's 0.1, and that's $5.40, and that'll be 0.2. Okay, so we've got a $200 float, so anything over and above will go into this section here. So any 20s, 50s, or $100 notes, so that you put in the total in here, so 160, and then 100. Okay, so at this point here, we've done cash up. So this is the amount of money that will be taken to the bank, $276.30. And your till is basically saying that the physical total, which is what you've counted, is 562.35. Bossie's total is 559.95. So your unders and overs are $2.40. So we're over $2.40. If you use tipping and you've got tips, so then the gratuities received is what Bossii thinks it's received. So if that was, say, $15.50, then you can then remove $15.50 at that point, and you can basically account for that then. Okay, once that's been completed, press save. Okay, and lock your cache up. So do you want to close it? Yes. And then once it's been locked and it goes all red, see you can't click on any field now, just press print, and that is your cache up report. From there, you can either print it, email it, save it as a PDF, whatever you would like to do. Your cache ups will always stay in the system, so it's not necessary that you print each of your cache ups because it always stays in memory. And we can just press close preview at this point. And that is your cache up. Thank you very much.